Today we are in Aruba, old school R&B brunch. We are in Village Mall for old school R&B brunch, the second edition, man. It's crazy. This is gonna be our 8th year this May. So 8 years now we've been doing this. Yeah, it's been a long time, man. This is our second time. This is our second edition. We was here in November for the first time. We didn't know what to expect, and it was lit. And yeah, anywhere we go and it's lit, we have to make a return. So Aruba, we're here again, man. You're lit. No, this first and foremost, this is for the local people. This is for the, you know, the Aruban culture, first and foremost. Tourists, of course, welcome to join, but this is for the people of the country, you know what I'm saying, of the island. So yeah, just don't ever think it's like a tourist event. This is an event for Aruba. They don't need no invitation. They know they're already invited. They're already invited. Old School R&B Brunch. We are here for the second time. If you're a lover of R&B, if you're a lover of everything nostalgic, anything old school, make sure you get down here. If you don't like R&B, I'm not gonna lie to you, don't come down. This ain't for you. If you don't love love, if you don't like love music, if you don't love love, this ain't for you. If you a fighter, not a lover, this ain't for you.
Right, today is the original Old School R&B brunch. We're back here for the second time, like my DJ Reese McLovin said, and this time we're doing it bigger and better. We're looking to fill up the whole Village Mall. So last time we had it inside Tantra. This time we're having it outside Tantra. We're gonna turn this into basically a block party. So we're looking at like 400, 500 plus people all partying to R&B inside this mall. Yes, you buy your tickets online, or you could come here on the spot and buy your ticket and party with us. Our brunch tickets have now been sold out, so we have probably about 150 people coming here to brunch with us. That's already sold out, but it doesn't mean you can't come and join them for the party section, which is gonna go on until very, very late. Please, if you guys don't want to miss out, this is Aruba's hottest block party today. Sunday, 12th of April, right here at Village Mall, the original Old School R&B brunch.